Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our second chapter, light energy. But before that, as we know that in our previous chapter we have learnt about energy. So what is energy? It is defined as the ability to do work. And if you remember in our previous chapter, we have learnt about different forms of energy. For example, light energy, thermal energy, sound energy, electrical energy, and many more energies we had learned. So what is light energy? It is an energy which makes us to see objects. Now we will discuss about the sources of light. What do you mean by source of light? It is defined as an object which emits light is called source of light. There are natural and artificial sources of light. The sun, the stars are examples of natural source of light. Candles, oil lamps, electric lights are made by humans and they are known as artificial source of light. Dear students, do you know moon is not a source of light? Why? Because it does not produce its own light, but it shines because it reflects the sunlight that fall on it. So we can say moon is a non-luminous object. And there is one important characteristic of light, that is it travels in a straight line. And this property of a light traveling along a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. I am going to repeat it because this is very important definition. The property of a light traveling along a straight line is called a rectilinear propagation of light. Now, do you remember this activity which we had done in class 6 regarding this light travels in a straight line? Okay, fine. Let us revise what we had done. We had taken a lighted candle on a table. Then we had taken a hollow rubber tube. Then on the one side, obviously we will be there to conduct the experiment. So what we had done, place a lighted candle on a table, take a short piece of a hollow rubber tube, and from the one side of the tube you just peep over here. And what will happen? Look at the flame of the candle. Then you will find what you can see the flame. And now if you are going to bend the tube, what will happen? The light source is not visible. This is because path of the light is cut off, and this shows that light travels in a straight line. Now we will discuss about the transparent medium. What do you mean by transparent medium? It is defined, or we will say the property in which the light passes through a medium is known as transparent property. If the question is asked, what do you mean by transparent property? The property in which a light passes through a medium is known as transparent property. And now I am going to define the transparent medium. What do you mean by transparent medium? The medium that allows light to pass through it is known as transparent medium. For example, a clear, empty glass, a window pane, eye lenses, etc. Now we will discuss about translucent medium, so what is that? The medium that allows only a fraction of light to pass for example, to pass through them So what do you mean by translucent medium? The medium that allows only a fraction of light to pass through them. For example, a tissue paper, frosted glass, waxed paper, etc. Write down a definition of opaque medium. Write down the medium which do not allow light to pass through them is known as opaque medium. Is known as opaque medium. For example, bricks, wood, buildings, etc.